Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Lasso affiliate link tool with WordPress step by step clearly. First, log in to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the plugins section on the left sidebar. Click on Add New to search for plugins. In the search bar, type Lasso to find the plugin. Locate the Lasso affiliate link tool from the search results. Click on the Install Now button next to the Lasso plugin. Wait for the installation to complete, then click Activate. Once activated, you should see Lasso in the left sidebar. Click on Lasso to open the Lasso settings. If you don't have an account, create one by following the prompts. Log into your Lasso account if you already have one. Next, configure your preferences under the Settings menu. Adjust settings for link management as per your needs. Set up your default affiliate networks by selecting them in the settings. You can also customize the appearance of your affiliate links here. To add a new affiliate link, click on Add Link. Enter the required details such as the link URL and title. Optionally, you can upload an image to represent the link. Save the link once you have filled in all required fields. Now, head back to your WordPress editor for the post or page you want to use the affiliate link. Insert the Lasso link where you want it in your content. You can do this by pasting the link or using the Lasso block. After placing the link, adjust its formatting as needed. Preview your changes to ensure everything looks correct. Finally, publish or update the post to make your affiliate link live. Congratulations, you have successfully enabled and set up the Lasso affiliate link tool with WordPress. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.